Chengdu facility manufactures Fisher, Tartarini, Cash, and John regulators, as well as natural gas skids designed for diverse applications across industries. Each solution is engineered to deliver safe, precise, and reliable performance in every environment.
Our core application and core product are mainly in the skid integration and the regulator. So our application serve in the wide industrial area.
Every product we make undergoes rigorous testing to meet the highest standards. From performance validation to safety compliance, reliability isn't optional. It's our foundation.
Our fully capable project and quality team collaborate effectively with the customer during witness testing. By providing seamless support, this is achieved through robust internal process that ensures smooth communication and coordination at every stage of the testing.
Our Chengdu facility drives efficiency and innovation, automation that maximizes output and minimizes errors. From machining to assembly, testing, and verification, every process is automated, monitored, and designed to deliver uncompromising quality.
优秀的项目和质量管理团队在客户到我们工厂去做鉴定测试期间，这些团队会跟客户通力的合作，会将整个鉴定测试的每个阶段跟客户保持通畅的沟通和交流。
Every regulator and skid undergoes 100% leak and functional testing before leaving the factory. Our flow lab validates each regulator under real-world conditions, testing flow capacity, accuracy, stability, and leak integrity to ensure flawless performance in the field. Our Asia-to-Asia strategy delivers local solutions designed for local needs, empowering growth across industries and borders.
So regionalization is not just a early copy and paste. We copy the production line to our AP factories. We actually do some engineering change, and based on our local customer requirements and the local standard requirements, we might change some materials or maybe some little specifications to meet our customer requirements.
Investing in our employees ensures a skilled and capable workforce, serving customers worldwide with cutting-edge plant capabilities over 20 years.
With over 150 years of global experience through renowned brands like Fisher and Tartarini, we've earned strong customer trust, a solid reputation, and numerous references that continue to strengthen our expertise. We bring deep experience in a wide range of applications and engineering design capabilities. By integrating this expertise and best practices, we deliver tailored solutions across global markets, including Asia and China. In addition to application and design expertise, we have advanced flow laboratories located around the world. The pressure management team operates 6 specialized flow labs globally, each focusing on different capabilities.
From Asia to the world, we deliver precision that powers progress. Built in Asia, engineered for excellence.